Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. My name is Maggie, and today we are going to be making what is now like viral all over the internet. This is just my take on it. It's the chili garlic noodles. I've tried this a couple times. I've kind of adapted it to make it my own, and I love it. I will say they are spicy, so make sure when you're using the spice, you're adding it accordingly. You don't want it to, burn your mouth. But they're really delicious. So I'm so excited to share it with you. Let's get started.
Don't need someone to save me, no, and don't come running to blame me. From miles away I can tell that something's off. The way you look and how you pause when you talk, I think I said enough. You said your love for me something brand new. You said this is something you would never do. Here we are in your car. Let me see who you are, who you really are. Yeah. Don't need you here to say you're sorry, 'cause if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Don't take it slow, don't be gentle. No, I just gotta know, if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Let's be honest for a second. Yeah, you're being over your head, babe. 'Cause there is no one other than me that can make you feel the way you feel when I hold you. I think I said enough.